Hi there folks, Gareth here from tracyandmatt.co.uk and for unboxings.com, and I'm having a look at this from Inateck. This is the 4-port USB 3.0 hub. This is the cheapest one on the market, to be honest, and it's USB 3.0. You can buy it from amazon.co.uk, and there will be links below and in the post on tracyandmatt.co.uk. So this has some features here. Super speed 5 gigabytes per second, high speed 480 megabytes per second, full speed 12 megabytes per second. Right, okay, so you have to have super speed enabled somehow. The status LED indicates the operating mode of each USB port. The 5-volt 12 amp port is equipped with an intelligent charging chip, supports battery charging for Samsung tablets, Samsung with 2 capital S's there, iPad and smartphones, compliant with USB 2.0 or lower, and compliant with large capacity hard drives. Plug and play, hot swappable. There's a wee bit of specification information if you fancy. We're not going to get too involved in that because we're going to open it up. 5 gigabits per second, hot swap charging, high quality. High quality. We've had a couple of USB devices from Inateck over the last couple of weeks, or a good few weeks actually, and they have operated very well. I have to say, I'm very impressed with them. Alright, so there it is on top. We'll have a look at it in a second. Inside we have a rather attractive container here. We also have a charger, big, hefty, with one of those on the end of it. What is that? That's a 5-volt 4 amp charger. And a USB 3 cable with that connector on the end, which means that goes in there. Right. And USB 3 there. How long is this cable, I hear you ask? Well, it's twice the distance from the middle to the end. It's about a meter. Yep, it's a 1 meter cable. Right, nicely packaged. Anti-scrape stuff here. And it's plastic. Yeah, okay. Well, it's the cheapest one on the market, so you'd expect that. I don't know if you can hear that. That's kind of a thermoset plastic. There's no noticeable blemishes and no bad cuts or anything anywhere. It's well made, it's well formed. So that's obviously where the USB 3 goes. That's where the power goes. That's the 5 amp 2 amp or 5 volt 2 amp charger on the side. 4 USB 3s on the front. Nothing there. Little feet to stop it from sliding away from you, and it says that on the bottom. 4-port plus 1-port charging. Yeah, dead on. Button there for you to turn it off and on. That's actually quite nice, just saves you a wee bit of power. Hopefully these LEDs turn out whenever you do. It's a nice size. It's big enough to sit on the desk and look quite good. If we were to put that next to a phone, I'll just throw that in for sake of measurement. That's a Galaxy Note 2. And we'll just throw this in as well, actually, because it's oh so wonderful. That's the Galaxy Note 4. It's smaller than the Galaxy Note 4 in every way, aside from thickness. And yeah, it looks like it'll work dead on. We put that in there. We put that in the computer, and away you go. Excuse me. And then this is a good long lead as well, so you don't need to actually that is one point. I do have another USB dock, and the lead is incredibly short, so that's about a 2 meter lead there. That's quite nice. That gives you a little bit of flexibility. So for the money, this is pretty good. And it costs a mere £20, £19.99. Yeah, that's brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Cheapest on the market. readily available from Amazon, Prime included. Terrific. That's what you need in your desk. Take care now.